So this will now take blue cell field, then white font. Our font is "Thanks for your business." Thanks for your thanks for your business. Our description has rows or cells stretched to the middle, so we merge them across. This is in the center, right and center. Yes. So that is that. Now we have a little special notes. So thank you for watching to this point. We have come to the end of our template. In our next lesson, we will talk about the home, the tabs on the home, and the commands or tools that we can use from there. You see their effect too. See you in the next video. Bye.